everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a styling tool that has garnered a lot of attention lately, the Beachwaver Co. Beachwaver Pro 1.25 Curling Iron. If you've been on the hunt for a curling iron that combines technology with gorgeous results, then stick around for this review. I'll be covering everything you need to know about its performance, ease of use, and whether it lives up to the hype. The Beachwaver Pro 1.25 is a rotating curling iron designed to make styling your hair effortless. It's made with a ceramic barrel, which is great for distributing heat evenly, and it promises to give you voluminous curls with minimal effort. The 1.25-inch barrel size makes it ideal for creating soft, beachy waves that aren't too tight, giving you that natural, tousled look. When it comes to using the Beachwaver Pro, I found the rotating feature to be a game changer. The rotating barrel automatically moves in either direction with just the press of a button, which made curling my hair so much easier and faster. No more struggling to twist the iron or get that perfect curl. The process felt smoother than my usual curling routine. Now, in terms of performance, I have to say it worked wonders for my thick hair. I set it to a medium heat, and it gave me beautiful, bouncy curls that held up all day. The ceramic coating is great at preventing heat damage, so even after styling, my hair didn't feel dry or frizzy. And the rotating mechanism made it super easy to curl every section of my hair, even those tricky spots at the back of my head. But let's talk about the potential cons too. For one, it's a bit on the heavier side compared to some other curling irons I've used. So if you're looking for something lightweight for quick styling, this may take a little getting used to. The cord length is also average, nothing to write home about, but I did find myself having to adjust my position a bit to ensure I had enough reach. Now, onto the value for money. The Beachwaver Pro isn't the cheapest curling iron out there, but considering its high-end features and professional-level results, I think it's priced fairly for the quality. The rotating barrel alone justifies the cost because it saves you so much time and effort during styling. However, if you're on a tight budget, there are certainly other options that can give you similar results at a lower price. If you're looking at alternatives, the T3 Lucia ID is a solid contender. While it doesn't have the rotating feature, it still has a ceramic barrel and delivers excellent results for those with thicker hair. If you're after a more affordable option, the Conair Double Ceramic Curling Iron is a great pick for softer curls, though you won't get the same rotating functionality. In terms of build quality, the Beachwaver Pro feels sturdy and well built. The ceramic barrel is smooth, which means less snagging and pulling on your hair, and the overall construction feels like it's designed to last. As for longevity, the iron heats up quickly, and I haven't had any issues with it losing its effectiveness, even after multiple uses. I haven't had to reach out to customer service yet, but Beachwaver Co. has a good reputation for providing helpful support when needed, so I'm confident that's covered. So, what's the final verdict? The Beachwaver Pro 1.25 Curling Iron is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to achieve easy, professional-looking curls. It's particularly great for thick hair thanks to its ceramic barrel and rotating function, and it's sure to save you time when styling. That said, it may not be the best option if you're looking for something super lightweight or if you're on a tight budget. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used the Beachwaver Pro, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.